So this is Naz on a daily time frame. Coming into the charts, we can see that price is clearly bullish. We can see that the structure overall is bullish after it closed on this, like these highs, and the sentiment the past three candles also are bullish. And yesterday's candle, so the previous candle, is extremely bullish, no wick rejections at all. So it's a clear sign that we should look for a buy. Scaling into the hourly, my key level was actually marked from these highs because when I opened up price at around pre-New York, so 12 just before 1, um, this was the most immediate key level that caught my attention. So I marked it here, and then scaling into a 15, I adjusted it to the actual highs of the 15, and this kind of was the zone that price was kind of respecting at the time. And then I scaled into a 5 minute to actually see the trade, and I was watching New York Stock Exchange open today, and I knew I wasn't going to take a trade before that. There was also high impact news at 1:30, so this candle came, but we basically came down and was almost retesting this sort of zone that I had already marked out. I thought it looked good, so I went ahead and looked for a position to enter essentially, and I saw clear signs of depletion. The volume was very large when it came to news, and then sort of died down as it got to the key level. We saw a bit of consolidation until this candle kind of like broke the highs or whatever you want to call it. So I saw a little change of character, and then immediately after I entered, I was running in profit, and yeah, it was all good. I didn't move stops to break even. Well, on one account, so I traded with two accounts today. On one account, it actually tagged my TP, and I actually got my full take profit of 2%. And the account that I was risking 2% on to make 4, it didn't actually tag it on the broker, so I moved stops to BE, and then price started to sort of revert. Then after this candle, I believe I put a trade, like I was just trading my stop loss because I didn't want price to just reverse and make no profit today. And luckily for me, that was about 1.5 R, or yeah, 1.5 R or 2.5 R. I think it's close to 2.5 R, just on under 3 or 4. I don't really remember this current stage, but essentially I made 3% instead of the 4 that I wanted. And then price kind of shot back up, and then came straight back down, tagged it here, and then I just got out. So yeah, and then for the day, kind of consolidated around these highs until it just melted. I don't know what the hell happened at this time range, but yeah. When I was actually taking this trade, I visualized price kind of just shooting, because NAS tends to just rip as soon as it hits some sort of zonal level, and it doesn't really consolidate like Joe and 30 does. And my confidence rating, if I'm being completely honest, I could not have cared less if this actually hit TP or not. I really didn't care too much. I wish I could say that. Oh yeah, I was confident. I wasn't confident. I couldn't give a single shit, to be honest. And yeah, price ended up just hit and take profit on essentially both accounts. A bit annoying that I didn't hit my full 4% on my second account, but I took a win regardless, so I'm in profit, but I can't really complain. And yeah, I think that's all. Um, the only thing I had here was that I was semi risky, but not too risky, because of this wick that we had when New York Stock Exchange opened. And after I saw that it was a change of character, I knew that essentially price could again wick down past these candles. I had that completely in mind. But if it wicked below this wick or closed below this wick, then I knew I was just wrong for the day. Luckily, that wasn't the case. But yeah, I was quite confident, to be fair, if I'm being honest. But yeah, that's all there is to say about this trade. It was a very clean trade. Can't complain. Take profit. Good setup. Good key levels. Everything just looks perfect today. And yeah, on to hopefully more wins.